Hi there everyone. Today in this video, I will share with you the reason that why revenge trading is bad and as a trader, why we should avoid revenge trading. Now what the actual meaning of revenge trading is, that suppose you took a trade and suppose you had a loss of 100 rupees and now you want to recover that loss. And so for that, you take another trade, and in that trade, you had a loss of 200 rupees. So firstly, you took a trade, you had a loss of 100 rupees, and then again you took a trade, you wanted to recover that 100 rupees. So now you risk 200 rupees. But the thing is, the trade again does not go your way, and it again ends in a loss. And so your total loss becomes 300 rupees. Now suppose there is another scenario. Suppose that you took a trade, it went in a loss of 100 rupees. Now in the next trade, you risk 200 rupees and you had a profit of 200 rupees. Now that can also happen. But the main thing is, as a trader, I have also experienced that most of the times, even when I also try to do revenge trading, most of the times I end up in more losses. Now I will share with you the reason that why we end up in more losses and why we should avoid revenge trading. Now, suppose you took a trade and you had a loss of 100 rupees. Now, the thing is, you will be affected psychologically by the loss. It's not just the loss which is showing you on the screen. It is that in your mind also, it is kind of reflecting that you had a loss and now you want to make profits to recover that loss. And when you start doing that, the main problem is when you will take another trade, you will have that this trade in your mind that you had a loss in a previous trade and now you want to recover that loss. So you are trading with a mindset of recovering the losses. And when you are trading with a mindset of recovering the losses, you are not actually focusing on the chart patterns. You are just focusing on the profits. You just want to make profit. But in trading, if you're not focusing on the process, if you are not doing proper chart analysis, then most of the times you will end up in more losses only because it is obvious, if you're not focusing on the process and you are just trying to make more and more money without doing proper analysis, that cannot happen. In that way, you will end up in more losses only. Now, suppose in another scenario, you had a loss and in another trade, suppose you had profits, suppose it goes your way and you end up in profits. Now, in that trade, you may not do proper analysis and suppose that it makes you profits. Now the thing is, if you make profits, you have that thing in your mind that now you know everything and now you do not need to do proper chart analysis. And maybe in the future trades, you do not do proper chart analysis and you just take the trade straight away, just a kind of random trades. The thing is, even if you in the beginning you had little bit of profits also, later on you are surely going to end up in losses. Because in trading, it is obvious that if you are not following your pattern, if you are not sticking to your strategy, and you are just taking random trades, that even if in the beginning you have profits, later on you will surely going to end up in losses only. Because trading, it is mostly about just sticking to your strategy. You need to have a plan. You need to know what kind of trades you want to take. You just cannot take random trades because that won't lead you anywhere. If you are just taking random trades, then in the future you are surely going to ruin your trading capital and you are surely going to blow your account. And the main reason is that we do revenge trading. We just want to recover the loss we made. In trading, it is normal. As a trader, if you are trading, you know that you are going to face losses. No strategy can guarantee you 100% profits, and that is for sure. So if you just can't understand this basic thing, then you are surely going to ruin your capital and you're surely going to blow your account. So just understanding this thing, if you have a loss, it is a normal thing. Even the experienced traders have losses. So there is nothing too much serious about it. The problem is when we think too much about the loss and we just want to recover that loss. That is a very bad mindset. As a trader, if you are having that mindset, then you're surely going to ruin your trading account. And I am sure that most of you would have experienced this thing. When we take a trade with a mindset of recovering losses, we end up in more losses because at that time, the thing is, we are not psychologically prepared. We are just having that thing in our mind that we want to recover that loss. We are not focusing on the chart pattern. And that is the main reason that why revenge trading is bad and why that kind of mindset is bad. Main thing is the mindset. Revenge trading is also just a word. Main thing is that you are having a mindset that you want to recover the losses. The main problem is with that mindset. If you are having that mindset, then you are just going to ruin your trading. Even if the scenario which I shared, you have loss in one trade, even if you make profit on another trade, but you did not do proper analysis, you just took the trade straight away without doing proper analysis. The thing is, in the future, it is going to affect you. In the future, you are surely going to blow your account and you're surely going to lose a lot of money. But if you just focus on your patterns, now the thing what you need to do after a loss, just take a break. Don't take another trade straight away. If you have a loss, just stop trading. Just take a break and try to figure out the reason of the loss. If you had a loss, just try to figure out the reason why you had that loss, what went wrong. Maybe the pattern was good. Maybe you did not do proper chart analysis. And that if that is the reason, then how can you make sure in the future trades also you are going to make money? Because if you're not following your pattern in one trade, then it is sure that you may not follow in the future trades also. So when you try to figure out the reason, then you will know that where you are making the mistake. And if you are making a mistake and you know that where you are making the mistake, then there are chances that you can try to improve the next time. Because if you don't figure out the reason, then it means that you are not trying to improve. You are just trying to making money. And if you just have that mindset of just making money only, then you can't improve. And trading is just about improving only. In trading, we make a lot of mistakes. Even I face so many losses. The thing is, when I have a loss, I try to figure out the reason why I had a loss so that next time I do not make the same mistake and I try to improve. And when I do that, I surely improve my trading and it actually helps me a lot. So if you are a trader, don't have this kind of mindset. If you have a loss, don't take more capital and don't put more money just to recover that loss. That is a very bad mindset. You can put more money, but your mindset should be that I need to do proper analysis. And if that trade is going well and I do my analysis, and if I am going good, then I can surely increase my money. But if you are increasing your money just to recover this loss, then it is very bad. If you are having loss of 100 rupees and the next time you are risking 200 rupees to recover this 100 rupees, that is a very bad mindset. You surely need to avoid this mindset because this will just destroy you as a trader. This mindset is very bad. If you are thinking of revenge trading, it is not at all going to make you profits. Even if you have profits on one trade, the thing is you are not doing proper analysis. If you are just having that mindset of recovering the losses, then you are surely going to make more and more losses. Because the problem is with such a mindset, you do not focus on the chart patterns. And when you not focus on the chart patterns, you are surely going to end up in losses only. Because if you do not know the reason why you are taking a trade and you are just having the mindset of recovering the losses, then it means that you do not know what you are doing. And if you do not know what you are doing, then you cannot improve. And if you cannot improve, then it is obvious that you cannot perform well. So when you have a loss, just take a break and try to figure out the reason why you had that loss and try to make it better next time. That is the kind of mindset which can help you a lot. If you have the mindset of improving, you have a loss, but you think that, okay, I have a loss, no problem. I just need to take a break. I need to figure out the reason why I had the loss and I will try to improve for the next time. If you have that kind of mindset, then it is very good. You're already going on the right path. Most of the traders, when they have a loss, the main thing is they just can't accept a loss. That is a very big problem with most of the traders. When we have a loss, we do not want to accept it. We think that the markets were wrong. We blame the markets. We do not blame ourselves. Actually, we are the ones to be blamed. Because when we try to figure out the reason, maybe we will find out that maybe we do not do proper analysis and that was the reason. But that you will find out only when you try to figure out the reason why you had that loss. When you do not try to figure out the reason and you just blame the markets and you think that the markets are wrong and you are right, that is the wrong mindset. With that mindset, you cannot improve much. So as a trader, if you want to improve your trading, first thing is accept that loss. Just accept that loss and say to yourself, okay, I had a loss. I need to figure out the reason of the loss and I need to improve myself. If your mindset is that I had a loss, the markets are wrong, I am right, I will put more money and I will recover that loss, then that mindset is very wrong. With that mindset, you cannot make a lot of money. Maybe you can make money on the next trade, but in the future trades, you are surely going to ruin your trading. So as a trader, revenge trading is a very bad thing. So just try to avoid revenge trading as much as possible. Even if you want to increase your money, you want to risk more, that is fine. But your mindset should be that I need to do proper analysis and I need to improve my trading. If your mindset is to just kind of recover this loss, and that is the reason why you're risking more money, that is not going to help you. That is actually going to ruin your capital. You will lose a lot of money in this way. That is what most of the traders do. When we have a loss, we try to put more money just to recover that loss. That is a very wrong mindset. Once you just accept it, that yes, I had a loss, I need to figure out the reason and I need to improve for the next time. That is a very good mindset. Because even in our own lives, when we make a mistake, if we accept it, we can surely improve it. But if we do not accept it, we just start blaming others. We do not accept that failure. We start saying that maybe others are wrong and I am right. That is not a good mindset. Maybe sometimes you are also right. Maybe it can be, but just try to figure out. If you figure out the reason, then it can surely help you. Because when you figure out the reason, we come to know that where we are making the mistake. And when we know that where the mistake is made, we can improve. But if we just do not accept that loss, or we do not try to figure out the reason of that loss, then we cannot improve. So as a trader, just try to avoid rank trading. And what you can do is, if you have a loss, just take a break. Just try to figure out the reason of that loss, and so that you can try to improve for the next time. And as a trader, always remember, the more and more you improve, the more and more you try to make yourself better, your trading will automatically become more better. Because trading is just about, kind of doing proper analysis, just reading the chart pattern, just reading the price action, and then taking trades on the basis of that. If you just keep on doing that, if you just keep on improving, and you just try to become more and more better day by day, then it is sure that you are surely going to make a lot of money in the long term. But if you are not having that mindset and you are just blaming others for your losses, then that mindset is very wrong. So just try to avoid that mindset. Just try to improve your mistakes and try to improve for the next time so that you can get better at your trading. So I hope this video kind of helps you. If you want to ask something, or if you would like this, or you just want to share your views, just let me know. So I hope this video helps you to kind of figure out how to improve our losses and what we can do when we have a loss. And as I again tell you, revenge trading is bad. Just try to not do revenge trading. Do not have that mindset. Just have the mindset of improving. So I hope this video helps you. Thanks a lot for watching this.